I've had a lot of people asking me what on earth I'm building. So, first of all, I just want to say what I'm building is just 4 corner pieces to an area that symbolises the memorial area of the fire service for the fallen. I'm in a beautiful little piece of land. I think it's farmland. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm pretty sure it is. And the people that own it have a lot of memorial areas in the place what I'm building, these brick L-shaped walls, which I've just completed the L-shaped walls to represent the corners of the area for the fire service memorial area. And then I'm going to start setting out the wall for the memorial wall, which is going to have a lot of like memorial badges stuck on to remember the fallen. And I'm just going to go around and show you a few of the other memorial service areas. It's absolutely beautiful what they've done here. So I'm just going to show you around. It is very windy out there, so I apologise if you can't really hear me. I don't really want to do any Brickland videoing today because I literally can't hear myself, let alone all you're gonna hear is probably wind. So let's go and take a look. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 corner pieces to symbolise the area for this is the fire engine service area at the minute in here. Let's go and take a quick look in here. So we've got the roll of honour up here. You know, we've got your names and ages when they passed and when the incidents happened. So we've got a few over here as well. We've got a few here. Yes, it's a nice little area to remember the firefighters who died. I'm pretty sure that these are the police station ones here. Oh yeah, it is, yeah. So we've got the police one here, up here. The George Gutteridge and Andrew Harper Archive of Remembrance. Let's go take a look over here. This is the wall that I'm about to start. It's going to have a doorway in it and a fire pole with a door with a fire pole going through for like a stairway to heaven sort of thing. Animals in war. It's a plaque for remembering the animals that have served the country of war. Let's have a little look inside, shall we? Nice little area. Don't want to really dirt. Oh, fuck me. Lovely what they've done here. Fearless pilot of the Spitfire girl, Mary Ellis, one of the only 2 surviving Spitfire girls, had died at the age of 101 at her home in the Isle of Wight. 101 years old. Right, let's go and have a look over here, shall we? Right, so over here, this is what we got here, look. Normandy, 1944, Operation Overlord. This memorial is in honour of the troops that landed on D-Day. Sword Juno Gold, Utah, Omaha, to say that, I do apologise. On June 6th at 1100 hours, 1944, lest we forget. Let's have a little look at the area around here. It's cool, isn't it? It is cool. Very lovely. Division Juno Beach 3rd Division. I ain't got my glasses on, I can't read it. Unveiled by the Parachute Regiment Association. South East Essex branch, 9th of July 2022. The Forgotten War. Korea, 1950 to 1953. What's over here? Dedicated in memory of shipmate Jim Hammond. Welcome to Jim's cabin at Hammond's Quay. I'm not going in there because I don't want to get it dirty. Let's have a little look in there. It's cool, isn't it? That must be him up in the middle of the wall there. Some lovely work been done here. That's just the area that I'm in at the minute. I'm pretty sure that they've got even more stuff dotted around the site. But yeah, this is what I'm up to. For anyone that is wondering what the hell I've been doing, I know there's a few of you coming up with all sorts of ideas, but that's all it is. Just 4 L-shaped corners just to represent the area of the firefighters memorial service. Right.
Yeah, you?
All done?
Yeah, just I'm going to use the water from the other one to clean this one out when you're done.
Yeah,
You got any tools that you want cleaning?
My levels there,
Yeah.
look, not the one with the GoPro on it though.
No worries. You done with your angle grinder?
Yeah, I'm done with that, yeah.
I've taken the battery out of the
Alright mate.
charger.
We have a slight problem. We have a pig in the wall. Come and have a look. So, we've got 4 course of brick that end, and we have 5 course of brick that end, but we're level. I think Stevie Wonder poured the footing. No, it's easy enough to get over. What I had to do, what I've got to make sure is, because obviously when you look at the wall, it wants to be symmetrical. I've got an extra course of brick down that end, so I had to make sure I reversed it to that end, so that when it does come out, it goes back to what it should be. So I've got a stretch to that end, stretch to that end. what I'll have to do is just pinning a line at this height, second course, and then on the first course down there, and then once I can't get 2 course of bricking in, I'll have to start cutting bricks until it ends up back to 1 down that end down there. It's easy enough to get over a pig in a footing, but it's just a pain in the arse. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and I'll see you in the next one.